Let's discover a word that helps you shine. Right here on Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is responsibility. Can you say it out loud? Responsibility. Let's go. Let's spell it together. Ready? R-E-S-P-O-N-S-I-B-I-L-I-T-Y. That spells responsibility. Great job. Responsibility means being in charge of something and doing what is expected. Here are some words that mean the same as responsibility. Say them with me. Duty, obligation, accountability, reliability, dependability, trustworthiness, role. Pause and review. Each one adds more meaning to your vocabulary. Now let's look at the opposites of responsibility. Ready? Irresponsibility, carelessness, unreliability, neglect, indifference, avoidance. So now you know what responsibility is, and what it's not. Here's a great example. Sofia showed responsibility by feeding the class pet each day. Let's review. Responsibility means being in charge of something and doing what is expected. Synonyms: duty, obligation, accountability, reliability, dependability, trustworthiness, role. Antonyms: irresponsibility, carelessness, unreliability, neglect, indifference, avoidance. You're doing something amazing. Every time you practice words like responsibility, you're building character and strength. You're not just learning, you're becoming a leader. Here's your challenge. Show responsibility today by doing something without being asked. Maybe it's cleaning up your space, helping at home, or finishing homework on time. Then tell someone proudly, "I was responsible." Responsibility is like a super tool. The more you use it, the more people can trust you, count on you, and respect you. And that makes you a real difference maker. I'm so proud of the choices you're making. Keep learning, keep helping, and keep being the awesome person you are. Tomorrow, another exciting word will be here, and I can't wait to share it with you.